Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am TJ Artistry and I am here with another bomb look for you guys. So spring is here and summer is approaching, so why not bring in those vibes? So if you guys are interested in how I created this look for you guys today, stay tuned. Duh. Hi guys, welcome back. First we're going to start off with Kiss Top Brow Gel, which you can get from your local beauty supply stores, and we're going to start off by carving the shape of our eyebrows. You want to lightly stroke your brows to carve out the shape. And after you have carved out your shape, you want to go and lightly fill them in. Make sharp hair-like strokes. Next, I'm going to go in with Absolute Radiant Cover and I'm going to conceal and clean up my brows. Once we're done concealing our brows, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me 338 Spicy Brown, and this is going to be my shade that I'm going to use to carve out the top of my brows. Now that we got that all done, I'm going to go back in with Absolute Radiant Cover in the shade Medium Light, and this is going to be the base for my eyeshadow. As you all know or may not know, I love the James Charles Mini Palette, and I'm going in with this purple fuchsia kind of shade, and I'm going to put this right into the crease of my eyes. This is going to be the first shade that I'm going to start off with. Next, I'm going to go in with this red orange shade, and I'm going to apply it right on top of the dark pink fuchsia shade. And what I'm going to do is lay this right on top, and I'm going to blend the two together and blend it upwards towards my eyebrow. After I'm done blending my colors, I'm going to go back into that Absolute Radiant Cover Medium Light Concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to place this slightly above my natural crease, just so the colors can show. Once I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going to go in with this light champagne shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply that right into the inner corners of my eyes. Once I've applied my first shade, I'm going to go into my second transition shade. So I'm going to reapply that bright red orange color right into the center of my eye. To transition the two colors, I'm going to go in with this bright gold shade, and I'm going to use this to kind of do a gradient effect with the eyeshadows, blending the colors together. So the first shade that I use, I'm going to pack that on the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it in with that red orange shade. And once I have blended the both of these colors together, I'm going to blend them upwards into that other shade that I applied closer to my brows. So now that we have the colors together, I want to add an extra flair to the look. So I'm going to add NYX pigments right on top of all of the shades. So now that we have completed our eye look, let's complete it even more and add NYX matte eyeliner. And here I'm just going to wing it out just a bit. So for this next step, I'm just going to clean up that mess I made with my eyeliner, making it all the way sharp. So as you all know, these are my two makeup face primers that I absolutely love together. And it is the Milk Hydro Primer and the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. And I'm just going to apply that all over my entire face. Next, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, and I'm going to use the shade 338 spicy brown. And so what you want to do with your foundation is pat it all over my entire buffing and smearing it around. I prefer to pat. For this next step, I'm going back in with Absolute Radiant Cover Medium Dark, and I'm going to highlight my face. Now that we're done highlighting, I'm going to go in with Black Opal in this shade Ebony, and here I am going to use this shade as a contour shade. Next, I'm going to buff out the edges of my concealer. Once I'm done buffing out my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and buff out that contour shade that I applied by Black Opal. So to set my highlighter shade, I'm going to go in with Makeup Revolution Banana Deep. And here I'm just applying that setting powder all over the places I applied my highlighter. Next, I'm just going to buff that into the skin. So to set that cream contour that I did with Black Opal, I'm going to go over it and add a little warmth back into my face by using CoverGirl's Ebony Bronze Bronzer. So to add a little more color and pop, I'm going to go in with Blackbradiance Artistry Color Baked Blush in the shade Warm Berry. So before I apply my lashes, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Plump Mascara. So all I'm doing right here is securing my lash to make sure they don't fall off. So I'm going in with LA Girl Ultimate Eye Pencil, and I think this one is in the shade Bright Lights. So because I'm going for a spring look, I'm just going to apply this on my waterline to keep it really light. So next I'm going to go in with Makeup Revolution highlighter palette, and I'm going to use the gold and rose gold shade to create a lighter pinker shade, I believe. I don't know, I just like the two colors together. So my look is almost complete, so let's finish it off by using Unique Cosmetics Suede Velour Waterproof Lipstick in the shade Southern Comfort, and I'm going to ombre it out with Love in Reverse. Now let's set our look with Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray. So now that we're all done, I'll be right back. So here you have it, you guys, the completed look. I think it gives us spring and summertime vibes. Light and playful. So what you guys think? So to go even further, let's add some Shine Shot by Maybelline. Give us a little gloss on the lips. So there you have it, this springtime, summertime look that I hope you guys were able to learn something from today. So until next time.